Hi guys, welcome back to Shane's Getting Handy. Today we're going to be replacing the backup battery in my Nixie Ramos alarm clock. So the Ramos Nixie alarm clock, designed to never let you not get out of bed. It's got its own internal battery and it has failed. If we unplug it, actually let's do it right now. It lasts a little bit on the battery inside. It's supposed to last basically indefinitely, so you can't unplug your alarm clock when it's going off to, prevent getting out of bed. But eventually the battery inside, it doesn't last. Oh, actually it's acting up right now. Look how it's gone kind of haywire. And then it's toast. The battery's dead. I'm gonna take it apart and we'll get the battery out. So first thing is, let's turn it off. And actually all you have to do is put something straight into this little hole right here and give it a push. And that's the power. Designed not to be able to easily accessible from the bedside, laying in bed or whatever. But anyway, that's done. Now we need to get these screws out. Let me find the right screwdriver because it looks like something a little bit unique. And I think that's intentional as well. Let me figure out what we need here. All right, we run into a problem. The tamper-proof screws are square and they're small. They're 2mm by 2mm, I believe. But anyway, I don't have that bit. So we're gonna get creative with the grinder. We'll see what we can come up with. All right, I had to go retouch it just the tiniest bit, but guess what? It works. Well, there's the last time I replaced it, and I put Velcro on so I could replace it easier the next time. I think it was glued down originally, I can't remember, but there's the plug. Let's get that undone. Yeah, I'm just gonna get a new one. Well, before we get too much further, let's make sure it turns on. No, that's good. So out of curiosity, I wanted to see how much voltage this battery had left in it, what it was doing. It's supposed to be 12 volts and it was, 9.6. No wonder. Well, in case you're one of the lucky few that ended up with a Ramos clock like I did, hopefully now you know how to change the battery. If it helps, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.